Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can use the Google Chat and how you can use the Google Chat and Gmail. Alright, so you can open the Gmail and select three line in the top left corner. Scroll down till you find settings. Just click on it. Select chat. So turn on the chat to show the chat and spaces tabs. Just turn on and click done, and you can see the chat and spaces tabs has appeared. Just use the Google Chat and then alright, so that's how you can use the Google Chat and how to use the Google Chat on the Gmail. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.